Okay, here we are again back in KG's kitchen, and I just want to show you a couple things here, make a short video. Yesterday I acquired this Nostalgia My Mini Griddle. You can do multiple things with this. You can fried eggs, omelets, mini pizzas, burgers, sausage patties, cookies, and more. Well, my youngest son Joseph bought me that and brought it to the house, just because he loves it, Pops. So thank you, Joe. We're going to try that out. We're going to be some videos of that soon. But today's video, as promised, we're going to open up these quick refrigerator pickles. I put a video out 2 weeks ago. I didn't show how I made them, but I explained the process, which is very fast, very simple. Well, yesterday was 2 weeks. So today we're going to open them and see just how good they really are. So let me get this thing open. Okay, we got them opened up. I'll tell you what, it smells wonderful. Let's get one of these out here and see how it is. I'm here to tell you that is a perfect refrigerator pickle. These turned out absolutely wonderful. Better than I thought they would, to be honest with you. Those right there, that's a winner. So I'll tell you what, I explained how to make them on my first video. If any of you are interested in making quick refrigerator pickles, you just sit in your refrigerator, 2 weeks later, open them up, and you got this. Watch my video. I explain how to make the brine. It's really simple. Very, very easy. And make yourself some. You'll love them, I guarantee it. And, like I said, stay tuned. There's videos coming of me using this. So, thank you, Joe. I just wanted to do a short video on the opening of our refrigerator pickles. And these are very excellent. A real good garlic dill taste. Very, very good. So if you like garlicky dill pickles, give these a try. Until next time.